Hey guys, it's Jen. How are you today? Today I have a haul video from Beebeecraft. I am part of their design team program, which is very simple to join if you are interested. I'll leave the information down below, but basically if you have 100 subscribers and you're active on YouTube, making videos and that sort of thing, that you just apply to their program, and if they accept you, you can request some specific items from their website. They send them to you, you make a few videos, and they're really nice people. You get your items fast. They're very good quality, and I think it works out really well for everybody. So again, I'll leave links down below in addition to all the products I got. And I got some great things this month. I cannot wait to get started. I tried to concentrate on Christmas and winter crafting on the things that I picked this time. So let me show you. The first one I got was this cute little tin of tags. And I saw Natalie, who is Put Some Bling on It here on YouTube. Hi, Nat, if you're watching. She had gotten these, and I just thought they were adorable. They came in this nice little acrylic tin, which they always have great packaging, which is great. Great packaging is great. And there are these sweet tags, and I think they're really good size. They're not huge, but they're not too small either. They're plenty big enough to put on a Christmas gift. And they're nice and thick too. They're not bendy at all. You don't have to like clip little pieces off or anything. They just come just like this. So the first one is a stitch tag that has a Christmas tree cut out, which is really cute. You could back it with a different paper or make it a shaker, you know, whatever you're thinking. This one has a snowflake on it. It's not stitched, but the snowflake is really, really cute. This one has a stitched heart, which I think is really sweet. Also, you can use that any time of year. And another kind of heart. This one is stitched and has a heart peeking out from the corner. So nice to have two different ones there. This one has deer, reindeer. I guess you can make it either one. So that's cute too. I like that. That would look cute with like lumberjack kind of theme, don't you think? And then the last one is this star tag that is also stitched, and I love that. Again, not just Christmas, good for Christmas, but also for like birthdays and that sort of thing. So I thought this was a great set. I haven't seen anything like this before anywhere else, so I was so happy to get that. So, yep, I'll leave that link down below if you're interested. And let's move on to the next few things. The rest of the items I got them with beading and tassels and charms and that sort of thing in mind for the Christmas season. I have a bunch of like tassels that I need to make, so I thought these items would be good for that. So the first thing I got was this package of beads, and it comes with 20 in a bag. It comes in a bag, I think this is the one that it came in, 16 millimeter beads. And they're all different colors, and they have snowflakes on them. See? Oh my gosh, really, really cute. Good quality. I think they're acrylic beads. And so they have traditional colors, as you can see, but also like pastel ones too, like that pastel pink and that red. There's a red, and then up top towards my fingers, there's like a pinkier one. So I thought that was really cute. And yeah, just lots of different colors, good for different, you know, color collection or different paper collections that you might have this year. So, okay, so I got those. And then the next group I got are these Santas. And this comes with 10 in a package. And they're the cutest little Santa heads. See, they're red and white with like a very light gold trim. And he's got a red nose, red cheeks, little gold eyes. And that's the back. And this comes with 10 in a pack. I don't know if I said that already, but nice size, and the quality is excellent. They're not like, you know, sometimes you get a bunch of like Christmas charms and they're like not painted well or just kind of, you know, plain looking. I think these are really nice and detailed. The pom-pom on the end looks kind of like a little jewel. Yeah. So, yeah, I love these. Love them. Love the red and white this year too. Speaking of red and white, I got this pack of charms as well. This is also 10 in a pack, and they're cute little Christmas trees. And these are also like a light gold finish. And I'm just trying to hold it close so you can see. See, like the edge of the tree, it's like stitched. And there are little ornaments on there and a red star at the top. And of course, a loop to make it into a charm. So yeah, really, really cute. Beautiful. These are so nice. I saw these and thought, oh, those are going to be great for my projects this year. So I'm so excited to get started. Okay, and the last thing I got was this huge bag that is, let me show you the bag, 100 grams, and these are silver charms. This is only part of it because I poured out some of them already. There are so many different kinds of wintry and Christmas charms in here. Like here's a reindeer, and you could see he's really nice and dimensional, not just like a flat charm. And they all have loops at the top for, you know, hanging on planners or dangles or jewelry, whatever you feel like making. And there's plenty for lots of different projects. There are different snowflakes. Here's one of them. I did look through these just to see, you know, make sure I was showing you guys everything. And I don't even think I've seen everything yet. There are just lots of different kinds of things. That one is a present. And even like the texture of the box is different than the texture of the ribbon, which I thought was just a nice touch, you know. There's a stocking. There's another reindeer. This one's smaller, so good for if you need a smaller reindeer. There are a couple different candy canes. Here's one that has like a holly leaf on it, and it is striped. It has little black stripes on it. Then there's another one, this one that is striped, but like just more like a texture stripe. And this one's a little thicker. And let's see what else. Did I show the stocking? Oh, there's that stocking, but there's another stocking too. And this one's facing that way, that one's that way. So this would be great for like a chunky charm. You know, I've never made those before, but I've seen them where you put like tons of different charms on them. Look at this snowman. Isn't he cute? He's got a broom and little heart buttons on him and a scarf and a hat and a carrot nose. Just, I'm really impressed with the details. So there are a few of those. There's a few of each one. Yeah, there's probably other ones in here. I gotta look through the whole bag just to see, but a great deal, I think. The prices are so reasonable. Again, I'll link them down below if you want to check them out. And I will link their YouTube program down below too, in case you're interested in doing something like this, which I totally recommend. It's really fun, nice people. There's basically no catch. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure you guys subscribe. I've got a big haul coming for tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I will come back hopefully shortly with some projects using these products, which I'm so excited. So anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Have a wonderful day, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.